Hi guys, my name's Mitz and I'm in my Mailchimp account and I'm going to show you how to create a list. So if you've got a website, I'm going to show you how to create a list and get the code for the form. Okay, now you can sign up for a Mailchimp account and it's free at first until you get to 500 subscribers. And then after that it's $30 a month, I think, until you go up to the next level and stuff like that. But it's absolutely fantastic. You can auto respond to your messages. It sends out campaigns. You can choose who you want to send it to. Everything. It stores your email addresses. It collects them. It does everything. It makes the thank you page, the this, that, everything that you can think about, it will do it for you. So it does a lot more as well. It's just been redesigned, and you can see the faces of the people that have signed up for your newsletters and stuff like that. Now what we're going to do first is we want to go and we want to create a list, because what you need, the first thing you have to do is create a list. So I'll press on lists, and I've got a few lists here in this one, but you can just go create new list and press on that, and it's going to ask you, do you really want to create a new list? Well, it won't ask you that if you haven't got a list already. It'll just say create a list. So we're just going to press on that, and then you just fill in these details here. Default from name. So if I was building a form from my WordPress website builder website, I would put from WordPress website builder, and the reply email I would put admin@wordpress-websitebuilder.com, and the subject, default subject, I would put WordPress website builder updates or WordPress website builder newsletter or something like that. Okay, and the list name, you just call it the actual website, or if you've got more than one list for a website, then you just split it up and make it something else. So anyway, fill out the details and then press save, and you will have a list ready to go. Now it's got all these other cool little things. I mean, in this you can integrate Facebook, Twitter and all that stuff, and every time you send out an email it will send it to all those things as well. Right, so just say I created a list, but I'm just going to go back to my lists. Okay, and now I want to get the form code, so I'm going to press on forms. See, each list here, there's all separate lists and they've all got their own forms. Okay, now I'm on the create forms section here, as you can see, and I want to and it says what list do you want to do it for. Now I could just choose this one here, WordPress website builder. Okay, and I'll just press on create forms again. Right, so we've got the form there. See, I've already got a little header in there and stuff like that. Okay, now it says, now this form is one that's hosted by Mailchimp, but I want to put a form on my website, so I'm going to click on for your website. Okay, now we've got all these choices here. Like Mailchimp is just crazy, it can do all sorts of things, right? What I want to do is embed code. Okay, embed the form code into my website, so I'm going to press on that. Okay, so this is what it looks like at the moment. Now I want to just take away some of these things. I'm going to take, because I don't like them, they're ugly. Just want a very plain little form. See that? And now it's too wide, so I'm going to set the width over here. I'm just going to make it 300. Okay, and as soon as I've done it, it's changed. Okay, now you can do all these other you know, crazy things and stuff like that, but I'm not going to. Okay, I just want it simple like that, and that's going to be my code. And all I have to do is press on, I'll just press on this again, even though it's already updated it. Now this is the code right here. You just copy it. You just, oh, actually press Control and A to select it all. Control A, and then right click and press copy. And that's when I go and paste it into my website, and that will show up in the sidebar. Okay, now if I was using Subscribers Magnet by Max Blog Press, which is unbelievable, I would paste this code into the section where it says where's your form code. Now if you go and watch that video, you'll understand what I'm talking about, but this is the code, okay, that you need. Now of course you can do it all manually, and you can paste that code in and try and make it all nice and everything. You can do all sorts of things with that code. So anyway, that's the start of it anyway. That's the easiest way you can do it. So what you've got to do is sign up for a Mailchimp account, go into the list section, create a list, and then we're going to press on forms. Now I'll go back to the list section so you can see. Each list here has got its own buttons. Okay, we want to press on forms and start building a form. Right, and when you get there, you go up here and you say for your website and press on there, and you just do what I did. Press on this one, okay, and then you change it to whatever you like. Now I take those away obviously, but you can do whatever you like. Okay, alright, I hope that helps you create an email form to put on your website, and you can watch the numbers grow up. I'll show you my list. One of my lists, oh, if I go to the dashboard, see this graph here, how I started out, and it just goes up and up and up and up, and this is what happened since I got Mailchimp. Right, that's unbelievable. Okay, now I had websites 2 years before this, but it was never as good as this. And if you go and get Subscribers Magnet, your sign-ups will absolutely double or triple. Alright, see you later. Okay guys, if you're watching this video on YouTube, make sure you come up here where it says subscribe and press on the subscribe button here. That'll let you know when we've got all new videos and stuff like that. Also, you can go in here and have a look at all more videos if you like. There's heaps, there's 211 so far. You might find something you like. Just scroll along and you'll be able to see. And also if you're on my website already and you're watching this video, you should put your email address and name in there and subscribe to our newsletter, because I give away like free reports and stuff like that, and they're not just any old thing. They're written by me, and they have some really good tips and tricks in there about building websites, or you know, computer tips, or whichever one. Alright, thanks for watching.